This is docket 6700 ER 106, the application of the city of Wisconsin Rapids for authority to adjust electric rates. This is Mike Newmark, the administrative law judge for the PSC. And we have commission staff and utility personnel in attendance. We've invited the public also to attend, and there's the opportunity for the public to make comments today. There's also the opportunity to file a written comment from the public, and they can do so by going to the commission's website and filing it there, or sending a comment to us by US mail. Deadline for those comments is July 20th. So usually put the day in our, that should be Thursday, July 20th. So if we receive comments by then, they'll be included in the case, and they'll go into what we call the record. That's what really the purpose of today's hearing is to create the record. That'll be the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as any comments we receive today. So we'll take comments first from the utility commission staff, and then we'll open up to members of the public for live comments. There are no members of the public in attendance right now. I think we do have one comment filed online so far. So I think we can take the notice off of that screen share, and we'll put up the list of documents. This is an email sent by Jason Stevenson this morning with the list of documents for the record. So I wanted to mention before we go any further that the decision maker in the case is actually it's the division administrator for the Division of Energy Regulation and Analysis, and that's Christine Nieto. So we'll forward the record to the administrator, and the administrator will review it and make a decision in the case. So that's kind of the process we have. And then once a decision is made, there'll be a written order that'll get posted to IRF and also emailed to the utility. So we have the 16 documents identified by staff that the utilities filed that will need to get into the record. I also wanted to mention that I think we only have listed in the for this offer is the wage information, electric wage information, the redacted version. We'll put the full version in there as well. That'll be part of the record, so the decision maker will have access to the entire document. So there'll be 17 documents altogether. First of all, we just want to, so there's kind of two variations of documents here. There's customer notice, which is fairly simple, and then there's the more detailed technical documents that relate to the application. So we can, if we have one person that can verify all documents, that's fine, but usually start with the notice in case we need to split that up by expertise. So who do we have from the utility that can verify the customer notice document?
I can reference all of them.
Okay, and I'm just having trouble hearing you a little bit, so just speak up, please.
Okay, I can.
Okay, so I'm going to swear you in. I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand. And do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Just state your name for the record.
Jeff Kuhn, K-U-H-N.
All right. And so just first of all, the customer notice document, you're familiar with that?
I am.
Is it complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It is.
Okay. And I couldn't hear what you said before. Can you verify the rest of the documents?
I can, yes.
Okay. So the rest of the documents there, including the one that's not listed, the full version of electric wage information. Are you familiar with those?
Yes, I am.
And are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any comments?
No.
All right. Anyone else wish to speak on behalf of the utility?
No.
No. All right. That's fine. So we'll move on to commission staff. We'll do the revenue requirement exhibit first. So who do we have to verify that document?
That would be me, Lauren Corbeil.
All right, great. I'll swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Can you confirm that the revenue requirement exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
It is.
Any comments?
None.
Okay. So I'll move on to cost service study. Jason Stevenson, swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
And can you confirm that the cost service study and rate design letter is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
There is one minor mistake in it in the WPL comparison columns of Exhibit PSC Stevenson 2 Schedule 1. This does not have any impact on the rates charged to any of the applicant's customers. However, this will be corrected in the order. And
Okay.
with that correction, it is true and correct to the best of my knowledge.
You wouldn't happen to have that correction available, would you? Was it?
Not currently, no.
Okay, all right. Okay, that's fine. So, any other comments? Is that all you have?
That is it.
Okay, all right. So we have all the documents identified and verified. Comments taken from the people in attendance. We don't have any members of the public connected to us at this time. So I do want to remind anyone who may be watching the live stream or watching the recording of the hearing that there is an opportunity to file comments by the 20th through the internet or US mail. So thanks very much, everyone, for attending. Any issues we need to address before we adjourn? No. All right. Well, thanks very much. We're adjourned. Take care.